हाई कोर्ट में तो आप लोगों ने बिल्कुल मजाक बना दिया, जब मर्जी होगी तब आएंगे, नहीं होगी नहीं आएंगे
सर।
जिस बेंच में जाना होगा उस बेंच में जाएंगे, बेंच चॉइस की होगी तो जाएंगे, नहीं होगी तो नहीं जाएंगे।
On that given day, my lord, when the matter was called in the first round, my lord, my friend could not appear. My lord, there is no dispute about it, my lord. And for that, lordship has already imposed cost, my lord. 5,000 is already deposited. On the last day, record was there.
Cost is on the OIC. Now the council not appearing and causing inconvenience is the old matter.
My lord, if, my lord, in the first round somebody is unable to appear, my lord.
There is no automatic.
I know.
My system is very transparent.
I am aware of a lordship system, my lord. But my lord,
I don't adjust according to individual needs. My system is transparent and it is applicable to each and everybody, be it an advocate of one-day practice or an advocate of 35 years.
There is no issue about it, my lord. By the time my friend reached, my lord, the matter was already called. In any case, my lords were, my lord, pleased to call for the record, my lord. On the last day, records were there. There was no non-compliance, my lord. Only thing was, my lord, it could not be properly communicated, which gave an impression to your lordship, my lord, that there is a change of counsel, and that led to my lord saying that, my lord.
I'll clarify that even if there is no change of counsel, lack of assistance is unprofessional, and therefore action be taken.
My lord,
I'll clarify it.
My lord, your lordship, kindly.
No. It is becoming very difficult.
My lord, there are aberrations, my lord, when the council is genuinely, my lord, unable to appear, at least in the first round when it is called, my lord.
Then there should be at least a request for passover.
Sometime lapse happens, my lord. But every such lapse where, my lord, where a matter is called.
Whenever council appear in this later on and request for marking their presence, I do it. So it is not correct that the council could not appear in the first round and appeared later on. That too is not correct. Otherwise, he could have argued the matter. That would have been the end of the matter.
My lord, the only reason was, my lord, that record had been received, my lord, to seek some clarification from the OIC. His mother died, my lord, 3 days ago. Lordship has record. So only for that reason,
I granted time for that.
There was no reason for not to argue, but to seek some.
ऐसा बताया नहीं गया कि उनसे clarification लेना है.
सर अब वो
क्या clarification लिया आपने? Let affidavit of the OIC be filed that what clarification was required.
My lord,
नहीं अगर
आप
डाल चलेंगे तो हम पात चलेंगे.
नहीं आप तो सर मैं वो तो we know your lordships, my lord, that we can't escape the my lord, but then my lord lordship में कहीं
इतना गैर जिम्मेदार ना प्रोफेशन हो गया है, मुझे शर्म आती है. जीरो असिस्टेंस, आधे वकील इंक्लूडिंग डेजिग्नेटेड सीनियर्स बिगड़ पड़े आते हैं
सर.
ये नहीं मालूम होता कि फाइल में क्या लिखा है, और एक सवाल पूछो तो एडजॉर्नमेंट मांगते हैं. बड़ी शर्म आती है कि हम उस सिस्टम का हिस्सा हैं. हम तो पढ़ के आए
सर. विद ड्यू रिगार्ड
नहीं अगर हम भी मना कर सकते हैं कि कोई पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, अब तो नौकरी पक्की हो गई, आई एम अ कंफर्म जज. बट नो, दैट इज नॉट माय एटीट्यूड. माय एटीट्यूड इज दैट आई शुड रीड, because then only I will be able to reach to the last man who is the litigant and who is represented through unprepared counsel.
सर अगर परमिट करें मैं कुछ बोलूं सर.
हाँ बोलिए ना
सर. आपकी कोर्ट में इस तरह के पर्टिनेंट सवाल आते हैं कि एवरीबडी गेट्स शेकन. that is the reality. A lordship would not dispute that, my lord. Approving his third time scale, everything will be settled, my lord. So if your lordship,
when will you be doing it,
my lord?
During the course,
subject to your lordships permitting us to reconsider that.
नहीं I'll not say anything. It is for you to
next week, my lord, we'll
नहीं you do it by tomorrow. We'll list this case day after tomorrow.
एक दिन और दे दे.
नहीं आपके अधिकारियों के लिए, जब जो काम करना चाहते हैं तो बैक डेट में कर लेते हैं.
I fully, your lordship knows more than anybody else.
जी
my lord,
देखिएगा नमन नागरथ लर्नेड सीनियर एडवोकेट. और ये क्या होता है नागरथ साहब, थोड़ा सा ये भी समझाइएगा. संजीव कुमार मिश्रा का एडजस्टमेंट लगा हुआ है. ये एडजस्टमेंट क्या होता है? जब लगातार देख रहा हूँ, ये केस में नहीं पूछ रहा, जनरल पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. दिस इज अ टेंडेंसी. जब सुविधा होती है तो उस मुकदमे में आ जाते हैं डिस्पाइट एडजस्टमेंट, बाकी तो एडजस्टमेंट है ही. ये कौन सा नया फॉर्मूला निकाला है?
इसको रिव्यू,
अगर एडजस्टमेंट है,
रिव्यू होना जरूरी है.
अगर एडजस्टमेंट है तो केस विल नॉट बी टेकन हाउएवर अर्जेंट इट मे बी.
सर ये एडजस्टमेंट का रिव्यू होना जरूरी है हम लोग के एंड पे सर.
हाँ तो आप इसको करवा लीजिए.
सर ये बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है इशू.
नहीं मैं इसको कई दिनों से ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ. मैंने उसका अभी तक कोई एडवर्स संज्ञान नहीं लिया है, बट वन डे आई मे बी फोर्स्ड टू टेक एडवर्स.
सर कोर्ट नंबर 1 में ये रोज होता है. इन एवरी डे 1 or 2 केसेस, my lord. court is also, one is also very clear. You have filed adjustment. Maybe there are 10 counsels in the
We
wakalatnama.
are not concerned
Even,
with it.
yes, even one of them has filed adjustment, no hearing.
No hearing.
So,
Yes.
so that is, my lord, even my lord, the Honorable DB1 is repeatedly saying that this,
So counsel will इसमें एक और लिख लीजिएगा. One of the counsels for the respondent, Shri Sanjeev Kumar Mishra, has filed his adjustment, though he is present in the court.
my lord,
ठीक है, नहीं उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं लिखा.
नहीं नहीं उनका नहीं सर, he is, आज मैंने स्पेशली बुलाया था because of, my lord, he is traveling in,
करने दीजिए, उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं लिख रहा हूँ.
नहीं सर, वो आपने सिखा दिया, he is present in,
This practice of filing adjustment and then party getting represented through other set of counsel to argue the matter either on interlocutory applications or finally sends a message that adjustment is a ploy to suit the convenience that whether matter is to be argued before a bench or not can be decided by the counsel. Full stop. In the garb of adjustment, that freedom can be exercised, that if the bench is suitable, matter will be argued, or if the matter is so urgent or there is a lot of pressure of the client, matter will be argued. Otherwise, adjustment will act as a shield to not to appear. Full stop. This practice needs to be reviewed by the rule-making committee of the High Court. Full stop. Matter be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice to refer the matter to the rule-making committee to review this aspect of adjustment. चलिए नेक्स्ट केस हाँ हो गया. आपके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं कहा है.
नहीं सर, ये अभी इनकी अभी की टिकट है सर,
ये तो एक उदाहरण है.
टिकट है, मैंने बुलाया था कि क्योंकि इसमें आई न्यू कि दिस इशू माइट कम अप.
उदाहरण है ये तो. चलिए नेक्स्ट केस.